Hi my spread guys, this video is for Mahzooz draw. The next drawing is on 8th April 2023. Powerful numbers for this draw from 1 to 9. I have only one number, that is 3. From 10 to 19 I have 4 numbers, 10, 11, 15 and 16. From 20 to 29 I have also 4 numbers, 21, 23, 24, 25 and 28. Sorry, 5 numbers. 30 to 39 I have only 2 numbers, 30 and 34. And last from 40 to 49 I have 4 numbers, 41, 45, 46 and 48. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers which has very highly chances to come for this draw. On this draw, the maximum numbers will come from these numbers. From 10 to 28, you should select 3 or 4 numbers between these numbers. If you want to play the repeated number from previous result, one number has good chances to come. Result is 8, 22, 30, 36 and 49. If you want to play, then this number, first number 8, has good chances to repeat. You should select again for this draw 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. According to my research, you should select 3 numbers from these numbers 10 to 28 and remaining 2 numbers from these numbers 3, 30, 34, 41, 45, 46 and 48. And the combination is 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers.